So today's the day the teddy bears have the picnic, and it's also the day the tank is removed. We've just got that one off with the gun, and we're going to try and get this one off. You've got two here and two at the back.
Oh, this one's a different angle. The what's links in them, I think.
Oh,
I've got to put a knuckle on it.
extension type job.
Come in.
Half the chassis coming in and all. Yeah, it's undoing. I think it is anyway. Yeah, let me put my hand on the top of it.
No.
Oh, it's just spinning.
Yeah.
Okay, so that one's just spinning. So it looks like it's broke the captive nut off the top, captive bolt. So we're gonna have to cut that one off probably.
Yep.
Try these over here. These look a bit cleaner, don't they? These two look a little bit cleaner. Whatever this has been coated in underneath is an absolute nightmare. It's just slimy black, non-drain under seal, and it's horrible. It's a 12 hammered on, and we'll see if it'll come out. No. So it's spinning at the top as well. So it looks like the easiest way to get all of these off is to cut them. We have emptied the tank, so we'll just have to cut through all these and get a shot of them. Yeah. The remnants of the chassis on the floor there, and that's the second. I've cleaned that up once, that's the second lot. The tank is going to come out soon, but yeah, so what have you got left to do? Cut that bolt off?
Cut this one off.
Is this one done?
No.
No, 3 bolts to cut off.
I've got it propped up so
yeah.
I can cut it off, but
it's just when it's quiet, eh?
Yeah.
All bolts are now removed, so we can drop the tank. But you should be able to, have you undone them? All that stuff up there?
Yeah, this was the final one, where this push fit thing on the...
What about this one?
This is the one that you had to press them 2 buttons in to pull it off.
So we just need to undo that one there, which is a Jubilee clip, and then we can drop the tank. Right, that's off.
That'll come off when we come out. We pull that through.
Yeah, we're gonna have to cut this off probably. Maybe as well, that tank strap, and then weld it back on like we did before.
Yeah.
So remove the wood then, and we'll get this down. The tank should stay where it is because it sits on the chassis. You should just be able to take the tank strap off.
Yeah.
Oh,
Much rust.
much rustiness. And then we just need to pull the tank down from this side. It's difficult to do with one hand. It's coming. Get ready to support the middle of it, Dad.
Support the tank. Come here, all.
It's stuck now. We're going to have to get something just to prise it past there, because when the chassis sort of bulges out, it catches. You've got to be careful because obviously the tank's plastic. If you just stick something up like that and just give it a little tease, and it comes. Sorry about the camera action here, but there we go.
It's out.
Everything's unplugged. Hang on. No, you're alright, everything's unplugged. Go on.
Get the pipe over the top of that.
Yeah,
chassis.
that's it. We got it. There we go. One tongue. Oh, it's see-through. Look, that
Lordy.
what patch that they've put on there I just folded that round, and because they didn't want to take the tank out, I'd done no welding, they just folded round so you couldn't see. This is the important bit we want to see over here. Oh, we was hoping there was no welding on this side.
Not as bad as I thought.
No, it's relatively solid. This, that seems quite solid on this side, but we know the other side's got a hole in it. There. So we're going to do that as well. So a lot of people will say rear quarter, but why? It's too expensive. We'll cut all this rot out and then put brand new steel in there, and we've already got the steel. We're also going to heat these up and nickety new them out. 1, 2, yeah, so we'll do that as well. But a lot of cutting now, a lot of cutting and cutting and cutting. Cutting and chiselling and getting rot off.
Grinding and banging.
Grinding, banging, cutting, chiselling. So back end pretty rotten, but it will be fixed. And then we've got that bit down there. We've got a bit, if you can see, just in the distance there, in the arch, you can see a hole right there.
Right.
Got to do that. Not one on the other side, and then the arch.
No soul.
Yeah, and then we're going to do the arch on the front, and this is going to just need to clean the roof liner, and it's going to be good to go back on the road. We shall carry on. Update. As you can see, it's pretty damn rusty. We've started cutting it out. We're going to cut all this out here, get all the rust on, so we're just left with these bars that are underneath, which are solid. So I'm going to do that on that side, and I'm going to have to rebuild this on this side and cut all that out. And then we've got that bit to do there, so it is pretty bad on here, it's falling to bits, but we're going to cut all the bad. The quick one, you can see we cut it all out there, and we've welded that over that, all the missing bits. So that's going to be welded over there anyway, and we're going to go around. I'm going to start cutting all that out to get that all patched up like the rest of it is. So we're going to cut that out and put new steel in there, weld that in, and we're getting closer and closer to finishing the rear, but there is still a lot to do.